Good day, I'm Jan McMahon. I am the FNAP and SNAP Ed Extension Agent here in Wyandotte County. I'm going to talk about place settings for the county fair. With this place setting is a hobo theme. It is a hobo stew, a biscuit, an apple, and milk. Exhibit number 2 is the cheeseburger deluxe with black bean salsa and a strawberry smoothie. There we go. Exhibit 3 is tea time. For a fun tea party, they're having cucumber sandwiches, cheesecake strawberry bites, and peach basil tea. Exhibit 4 is family dinner with oven roasted chicken and brown rice and broccoli and apple cranberry salad with milk, skim milk. Please realize that all 4 of these have my plate in the menu. I placed number 4 first for purple ribbon because the edge of the table is here and we have about an inch here which we want, so it's not too far away for the plate and it's not too close that it'll get bumped. Knife is set at the right way. Sharp side always goes toward the plate. And we have a basic teaspoon and a dinner fork. We also have a glass for the milk for this menu. The tablecloth brings in the character of the plate, giving it a cohesive appearance. Place setting 1 with the hobo theme is placed second with a blue ribbon. So we have a bowl for the stew, we have a plate for the biscuit and the apple, and we have a mug for the fresh milk, and we have bandanas. These were probably things that were in the hobo sack that were too heavy for him to carry and could be used as a placemat and their napkin. Place setting number 2 is given a red ribbon. It has a healthy meal plan, has a napkin, but we've got a salad fork here without the dinner fork. The plate is a little bit crooked here on the placemat. We have a grapefruit spoon. Because see those rough edges? That's a grapefruit spoon. And yes, the iced teaspoon would work for the strawberry smoothie. We do have consistency with the square plate and the square bottom of the glass. Place setting number 3 receives the white ribbon. You will see here that with the tea party, we have this spoon, which is a jelly spoon, used with it. The napkin is on the right side, not the left. The plate is upside down and off the table. It's easy for someone to bump that as they sit down if they don't notice it and have the plate land in their lap. Also, the teacup is placed on the left instead of the right, and it's not centered into the saucer. How did you guys place them? Did we match up, or was there some differences? Thank you for watching. I'm Jan McMahon with an expanded food and nutrition program here at the Extension Office in Wyandotte County. If you have questions, give me a call.